Launch multiple Windows tools with just one click. Step number 1. Press the Windows plus R key. Then type this command, Notepad. Then click on the OK tab. So in this slide, simply write this bash script on this Notepad slide. Then select this file, click on the File tab. Then click on the Save As tab. Now here simply type the file name here, tools.bat. Then save as type, simply click on the drop down arrow, then click on the all files, then click on the save tab, then close the slide, refresh it. So as you can see, now the batch file has been created. Simply right click on this batch tool, then click on the run as administrator, and boom, this will open the one by one all the slides on your host machine. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.